Right, here we go. 100th roller coaster credit, Goudurix. Vekoma Custom-MK1200. Right, I'm going to be quick with shout outs here. Coast Compass, Josh and Liam, check them out, good friends now. Also Dan Milton King's Dons, always been a good friend, check his channel out. And then last but not least, Cool Cat, Kater, again become a good friend. We met before going on Millennium, which is the same model as this at Fantasy Island. Check her channel out, Cool Cat, 181 subscribers. Right, here we go. Love you guys to bits. This is it, 100th roller coaster. Vekoma greatness! Woo! Oh, into the butterfly, and it's intense! Oh, it's just like being on Millennium. Double corkscrew. Oh. 100 up.